PizzaTV is back once again in Parma, Italy to cover the World Pizza Championship in 2018. The United States pizza team has already arrived and begun preparations for their competition.
This is called Love Potion number 8. I'm pretty sure the next batch is going to be the winner.
Well, being from Chicago, we do have a lot of the same foods, but here it's at I would say it's a little different level. You know, it's kicked up a notch. You know, it's something you won't see in the States. It's just a couple levels above. You know, so a little fancier. You know, different. Real good.
Oh my God. Oh, that's good. Oh, it's so good.
I looked around, I learned a ton about the combination of toppings while I was out here, and I was able to take it to the next level. I'm very confident with the pizza that we're making, and we're just very excited.
Be sure to stay tuned in to PizzaTV and follow PMQ and PizzaTV on social media to catch all the action at the 2018 World Pizza Championship. For PizzaTV, I'm Daniel Lee Perea.